In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in Close.com. If you're using the Growth, Professional, or Scale plan in Close, workflows can help you automate repetitive sales tasks like creating follow-up actions, updating records, and moving opportunities forward automatically. In this walkthrough, we'll build a demo request automation workflow so you can see exactly how the setup works from start to finish. First, log into your Close.com account. Once you're inside, head over to the Workflows section and click New Workflow. When the setup options appear, choose Start from Scratch so you can build the automation exactly the way you want. Next, select a trigger. A trigger is the event that tells Close when to start the workflow. For this example, choose the condition where the note is exactly Proposal Approved. This means the automation will only begin when that exact note appears, which helps keep the workflow precise and avoids accidental enrollments. After that, add another trigger by selecting Recording Transcript, then set it to as present. This tells Close to make sure there's a transcript available before the workflow runs. Then choose the last trigger and set it to Created by, and select the user you want. This narrows the automation so it only applies to records created by a specific team member. Once that's configured, click Done. Now add a step and choose Create Opportunity. This action automatically creates a new opportunity when the trigger conditions are met. Select the sales pipeline, choose a status, and in this example, use Qualified. Then enter the opportunity value. Choose whether that value is one-time, monthly, or annual, and add the confidence percentage. If an expected close date has already been agreed upon, set that as well. Then choose a contact. Add a note saying, "This opportunity needs to be planned carefully." Assign it to yourself or another team member. Select the creator for the opportunity and click Done. Next, add another step and choose Create a Task. This is useful for making sure follow-up work happens automatically after the opportunity is created. Enter the task description as, "Set up a meeting to discuss the subject matter of this project." Then delete the delay so the task is created right away. Set the due date to immediately, and mark it as optional. Optional means the task can be completed if needed, while required would make it more strictly enforced in your workflow process. Then choose Creator or Enrolling User, mark the task as high priority, and click Done. To finish, click the pencil icon beside the Activate button and name the workflow Demo Request Automation. Click Save, then click Activate, and finally click Confirm. As a best practice, test new workflows on a small group of leads first. Use clear names so your team can recognize them easily, and review the Runs tab regularly to monitor activity and fix any issues. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.